Okay, this is my third and last try at this. I stole this idea from one of our YouTube guys about making your own splatter targets. So I went to Walmart, bought some of these Astro Brights. They come in some really different colors. I think pink would be really good too, but I thought the orange would show up very well. Get a ream of this stuff for next to nothing, and bought 100 sheets of these sheet protectors. You slip that sheet inside there and you end up with this product, protected on both sides by plastic. And then you paint them. I use two different kind of paints to see which one works better. With this one, I used this Rust-Oleum flat protective enamel. Nothing, but it was laying around the house, and remember that little white spot in there. And then on my other target, I tried this flat primer that bonds to plastic, and just did this one. You can still see the orange paper inside it, and use this paint and see that might have any good effect. This is the splatter side of the target. On the back you can see it's the orange papers inside. I need something as a reference point, or an aiming target, and so you can see the size of this, which is exactly the size of this plumber's tape. So I've just laid that on top of it in the center, and then used whiteout to fill it up. I figured whiteout would work really good with the paint. Also wouldn't affect the splatter. Anyway, we'll try it out tomorrow and see how it all works out. Not my idea, I stole it from someone else, but see if I can improve on it. I'm gonna try some different paints and maybe some different covers.